Hey, what's up guys, and today, as you can see, we are on a GoPro. I don't use my GoPro often, but I found it and I thought I'd use it for this. So I've had this GoPro since like, I just stepped on that. But today, we're going to be installing this beauty on my bedroom, my side door. So if I take it off, I don't even know if you can see up there, it's like straight. Yeah, so this is this one right now. But I thought we would replace it with the new one I got. My room is starting to get a bit of a mess and my bed's like that because I only just woke up. But what we're going to do, we're going to take all this packaging off. Just make it so you can see as well. Oh, it's a bit stiff. Ow! Sharp corners on this. Right, there you are. Now you can see what I'm seeing. So we're going to take this off. Here we are. Here it is. Beauty. So I'm going to take the screws out. Whoops. Don't want to lose them screws, thank you. Might start doing this more often when I'm installing door closers. Right, so I've already made an unboxing video of this, by the way. Here it is. Beautiful arrow with delayed action as well, which I'm happy of. But we're going to put this on here. So this is the one we have on here right now. This is a 2000s design arrow. But we're going to take it off. So first thing we need to do, as you can see, it's like the same, but this one is like a more nicer colour. So what we need to do first is get the ratchet and take the old bolt off. There it is. I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to wiggle off the arms. Better way to do it actually is by opening it and then just let go of it. There we are, that's off. So what we need to do next is take off the screws. What I do, guys, when I usually replace this door closer, I use the same holes. So that's why it also isn't straight. Annoyingly, because when I first installed it, I didn't do the cleanest job. So, pick these out. This is what it looks like behind my door. It's quite a few holes, but it's actually not that bad. Here's this door closer. As you can see, it's not a bad door closer. So I'm going to put this down here, and we're going to get the new one. Put that screw back in here actually, because we don't need that bolt, because we've already got a brand new one. And yes, my iPad's there just so I can see what I'm actually doing. So here we are. So, quite a tight bolt. Still looks brand new, that bolt does. So, I'm going to turn it to the other side. And then, I'm not going to do the arm just yet. So, where's my drill? There it is. GoPro strap is a bit annoying. So I'm gonna get this. Which one's the right holes? By the looks of it, I think it's these ones. I can get it in. I think I'm right. I really wish I can get it straight. Not going anywhere. There we are. Next thing we need to do is get a door closer arm. I think I'm going to use my brown arrow arms. And what we do is get the arm underneath, position it, and get the arm on this side. I can't explain it right, but you'll probably see what I'm about to do. So I turn the door closer until the top goes in. There we are. And then last thing to do is we get the bolts. So I'm going to put this back. We get the ratchet and we tighten it in place. That's all you really got to do. This is aching my arms a bit. And let's have a test. So that's its original speed. Is that missing a piece? Whoa, there's usually a silver piece there, isn't there? Let me try and find what I'm talking about. It's missing that piece. See that silver piece there? It's missing it. Huh. I don't know if that's a bad thing, but it doesn't look like it goes to anything. Right. Last thing we need to do is just adjust it. So, if I can find my screwdriver, which there it is. All I need to do now is find a speed I like. So, I really want to do the delayed action on this door. Maybe speed it up a bit. Then have a bit of a fast speed. Should we try that? Okay, that's way too slow for my liking. That felt like it did nothing. Okay, that's better. Definitely did speed up. This is going to be quite fast, I know it is. Yeah, you can definitely see that working. I don't want it to speed up too much, because I want you to be able to notice all the speeds. Still too fast. Yeah, it usually takes you a while to find the speed you actually like. Still not there yet. Getting close. I want you to be able to notice all 3 speeds. We're getting there. Pardon me. Pardon me. I might just leave it as that. Try a bit more, but I don't want to overdo it. And that's as far as I'm going to do it. Doesn't speed up this. Doesn't speed up this that much. This closer does for some reason. May just have to leave it as that. Yeah, we're just going to leave it as that. Put the gold cover on. Look at how nice that looks. I've got to be quick because there's going to be a delivery soon. Not for me, it's for something else. Got to put these screws in. I actually don't know where my Phillips head screwdriver's gone, so that is why I'm going to be using my drill. I'm not going to overdo it though. That sounds like them. Perfect. That's beautiful. So yeah, that is the video of my 2 new door closers. Well, mainly one of them. I'm going to put this one in here. And I'm also going to put this one in here as well. It's going to go in my cabinet. So that's where they're going to be for now. I don't care that I'm forcing this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like my new arrow. And I love how the logo's on there as well. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, bye.